Okay, 11 is a factorization trinomial, 3x squared minus 18 x plus 27. The greatest common factor is 3. 3x squared minus 6x plus 9. And this is a perfect square trinomial. The factorization is open two parentheses, is x, is 3 minus minus. Both minus. 3x minus 3 to the second power, que es the same, it's equivalent, que es the option B. Okay, number 12 is again factorization of trinomial. But in this case, you analyze first. We have a common factor. The greatest common factor is 3. Factor out 3. We have 10x squared plus 11x plus 3. And now we have a trinomial here. Complicated trinomial. Multiply 10 times 3 is 30. I need to investigate two factors of 30 because somehow when you adding or subtracting give me 11. The combination is 6 and 5 because 6 times 5 is 36 plus 5 is 11. So far I copied 3, 10x squared. I split 11 using 6 and 5. Now factorization by grouping. Okay, 3 parentheses, the greatest common factor here is 2x. We have 5x plus 3 plus 5x plus 3 and 3 times 5x plus 3. Open new parenthesis, inside the new parenthesis we have 2x plus 1, because invisible 1 we have here. Okay, and this is the answer que corresponde with the option 3, 5x plus 3, 2x plus 1. The option A. The option A is the correct option. A. Okay, number 13 is factor completed this expression. Okay. First of all, investigate if is there a common factor between 9 and 48. 9 is 3 and 3. 48 is 224. 212. 26. 23. That's obvious. Okay, 1, 3 only is the great common factor. But the greatest common factor is 3 in the numerical part and y to the second in the variable part. Remember, a smaller exponent. This is 3y to the second outside. We have in the first 3y to the second minus. When you factor out 3 out here and 48, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 to get 16. 16y plus 16 without y. And this is a trinomial. It's complicated trinomial, so you multiply this guy and this guy is 48. Now I try to see what factor of the 48 somehow adding or subtracting give me 16. The combination is 12 and 4. 12 times 4 is 48 and 12 plus 4 is 16. So 3y squared. 3y squared again. I split 16 and 12 and 4. Okay, now factorization by grouping. 3y squared. The greatest common factor in this case is 3y. We have y minus 4. And the greatest common factor in this case is minus 4. It's 4, but much better minus 4 out. But we have y minus 4. Again, y minus 4 is common factor. Factor out. y minus 4. In the second parenthesis we have 3y, because this is this. This is this. And minus 4. This is this. And this is the answer. Okay, corresponding with the option. Let me check it, what option is correct. The option A again. Okay, 14 again as a trinomial. But first of all, what is the common factor? What is the greater common factor in this case? And the numerical part, no. But in the variable part, yes, is equal m n to the third power. Always the smallest point. When you factor out m n to the third power outside, we have 32 n to the second minus 4 mm minus n to the second. Again, complicated trinomial is a 32, and the combination, two factors of 32 can somehow give me 4 when you adding or subtracting is a and 4, because a times 4 is 32, a minus 4 is 4. So I copy m and QE 32 m squared. I split 4 using 8m plus 4mm n 4mm minus a plus 4 is negative 4 minus n squared. Now by factoring by grouping. Factorization by grouping. By grouping then is, okay, let me copy again this m n to the cubic. The greater common factor in this first couple is 8m. Open new parenthesis, we have 4 n minus n plus n is the common factor here, and the second couple we have 4m minus 1n. Again, 4m minus n is common factor, so I copy m n cubic 4m minus n parentheses, and inside we have 8m plus n. Okay, this guy is this, and this is that. This is corresponding with the option. Let me see what option is correct here. Option B. Option B is the correct. Okay, compare this idea and this idea. Oh yes, perfect.